Holy Night by the Purvari Center. Participants are Walsh, Nicole, Zadikias, Alicia, Dr. Vidya, Andrew, Felicia, Susan, Anish, San, and Eustacia. And they are led by Siddhalia, ladies and gentlemen.
This song is a very special song. I'd like to sing this to our King, the King of Kings, the Lord of Lords. Holy night, the stars are brightly shining. It is the night of the dear Savior's birth. Lord, lay the world in sin and error apart, till you appear and the soul felt your word. A thrill of hope, this weary world rejoices, for yonder breaks a new and glorious morn. Us how to love each other. His word is true and His gospel is deep. Chains shall He break, and slaves shall be my brother, and in His name all oppression shall cease. The sweet hymns of praise in joyful chorus praise we let all within me bless His holy name. Christ is my King. Oh, praise His name forever. His glory shine now and forevermore.
Let's hear it, ladies and gentlemen, for San Antonio, Tumelo, and the entire group here from the Porvory Center. Up next, we have the Mapsa Center, and they are going to be performing Mary's Boy Child, and they are led by their director, San.
Mary's boy child, Jesus Christ, was born on Christmas Day. Long time ago in Bethlehem, so the Holy Bible says, Mary's boy child, Jesus Christ, was born on Christmas Day. Hope now hear the angels sing, the new king's born today. For man will live forevermore, because of Christmas Day. Trumpets sound, the angels sing, listen to what they say. For man will live forevermore, because of Christmas Day. They found no place to burn the child, not a single room was inside. Come now, hear the angels sing, the new king's born today. Man will live forevermore, because of Christmas Day. Trumpets sound, the angels sing, listen to what they say. For man will live forevermore, because of Christmas Day. Long time ago in Bethlehem, so the Holy Bible says, Mary's boy child, Jesus Christ, was born on Christmas Day. By and by, one little in a stable of a lawn, and in the middle of golden dawn, Mary's little boy was born. Hark now, hear the angels sing, a new king's born today. For man will live forevermore, because of Christmas Day. Trumpets sound, the angels sing, listen to what they say. For man will live forevermore, because of Christmas Day. Hark now, hear the angels sing, a new king's born today. For man will live forevermore, because of Christmas Day. Trumpets sound, the angels sing, listen to what they say. For man will live forevermore, because of Christmas Day. For man will live forevermore, because of Christmas Day.
Next on stage, ladies and gentlemen, from the Porvory Center, we have Santa Claus is Coming to Town. And they are led by their director, Michelle, ladies and gentlemen.
Yeah. Woo. Oh, yeah, I'm telling you. He's coming. He's coming to town.
Ho, 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 ho. Merry Christmas. Ho, 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 ho.
He's gonna find out who's naughty and nice. Santa Claus is coming to town. He sees you when you're sleeping. Oh, he knows when you're away. He knows if you've been bad or good. So be good, for goodness sake. Woo! You better watch out. You better not cry. Is coming to town.
Ho, 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 ho.
Elvis is checking it twice. He's gonna find out who's naughty and nice. Santa Claus is coming to town.
Better watch out.
You better not cry. You better not pout. I'm telling you why. Santa Claus is coming to town. He's making a list. He's checking it twice. He's gonna find out who's naughty and nice. Santa Claus is coming to town. He sees you when you're sleeping. He knows when you're away. He knows if you've been bad or good. So be good. For goodness sake. Ow! You better watch out. You better not cry. You better not pout. I'm telling you why. Santa Claus is coming to town. Santa Claus is coming to town. Santa Claus is coming to town.
All right, let's hear a loud round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, especially for the little kiddos right out there. Well, next we have the Margao Center singing a very popular pop song. This one's called We Are the World. They are directed by Audrey. Ladies and gentlemen, this is going to be the Margao Center with We Are the World.
When the world must come together as one. The greatest gift of all. We can go on pretending day by day that someone somewhere will soon make a change.
We are all a part of God's great big family. And the truth, you know, love is all we need.
We go beyond. Must lend a helping hand.
We are the children. We are the ones who make a brighter day. So let's start giving.
There's a choice we're making. We're saving our own lives. It's true to make a better day, just you and me. When you're down and out, it seems no hope at all. Well, if you just believe, there's no way we can fall. Well, let's realize that a change can only come when we stand together as one. We are the world. We are the world. We are the children. We are the children. We are the ones who make a brighter day. So let's start giving. So let's start giving. There's a choice we're making. There's a choice we're saving our own lives. It's true to make a better day, just you and me. We are the world. We are the world. We are the children. We are the children. We are the ones who make a brighter day. So let's start giving. So let's start giving. There's a choice we're making. There's a choice we're making. Saving our own lives. Saving our own lives. Make a better day, just you and me. We are the world. We are the world. We are the children. We are the children. We are the ones who make a brighter day. So let's start giving. So let's start giving. There's a choice we're making. But there's a choice we're making. Saving our own lives. Saving our own lives. Make a better day, just you and me. We are the world. We are the world. We are the children. We are the children. We are the ones to make a brighter day. So let's start giving. Let's start giving. There's a choice we're making. There's a choice we're making. Saving our own lives. It's true to make a better day, just you and me. It's true we make a better day, just you and me. It's true we make a better day, just you and me.
Oh, yeah.
Thank you.
Well, thank you very much. We, in our little way, ladies and gentlemen, make it a better place and a better world. That was We Are the World, the Margao Center. Well, ladies and gentlemen, this evening we have our guests who are here with us, and now we would like to felicitate our guests and invite them here up on stage. So I would request the director, San Antonio, to call upon our chief guest, Sri Hema Sardesai. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for a singer par excellence, a true Goan, and she's been bestowed with many awards and honors, and we are really glad to have you here this evening, Hema. Thank you very much for gracing our occasion here. Thank you very much. We like to also invite here up on stage Pastor Matthew. Can I have you up on stage as well? Pastor Matthew, as he comes up on stage. Also among us, our guests, we have Dr. Pramod Salgaonkar, and may I kindly request... Thank you so much. And we have Mrs. Neelam Rohan County here with us. Well, we also have Xavier, who's here with us. Thank you very much. All right, ladies and gentlemen. Now, like I said, we have a superstar performance right here, and I would like to request Hema Sardesai to kindly enthrall us with her melodious voice.
Okay, obrigado. I'm going to sing a song which is a very great request. I don't know how I landed up singing here, but very happy to do this for San and everybody. And main कितें जालें की हांव कित्याक म्हणलें की होय हांव कातार म्हणटा म्हणून is because 1998 च्यान I have been working very hard towards saving the girl child. And once I saw these beautiful girls perform, and I said, we must do something to give them that push. So San was like, Hema, you'll be singing with the girls. Remember you said what you said? So this is it. I'm singing with them. This is a song that when I was a kid, I used to sing here in Goa, and everybody used to love. So this is for you with love. Because it says about a religion that brings you to your knees. The only religion that brings us to our knees is love. Love is God. God is love. And today we heard such beautiful songs for the Lord Jesus. He's love personified. So let's just spread that love and oneness. Ektai rauya, mog diuya ekamekak. I'm always comfortable on stage. This is where I live, and Lord, this is where let me go with you, wherever you take me. This is a heartfelt thing. And Sadans, Konkara amcha Konkaran fude munpak, it's like singing at home. It's nice, it's lovely.
Mississippi in the middle of a dry spell. Jimmy Rogers on a vitriol up high. Mama's dancing and baby on her shoulders. Sun is setting like no lasses in the sky. The way he moves and has a song so sweet and true. Always wanting more. Velvet, if you please. Up in Memphis, the music's like a heat wave. White lightning is bound to drive you wild. Mama's baby is in the heart of them school books. Love me tender, she's been crying in the eye. The way he moves, he was a song so sweet and true. Always wanting more, he leave you longing for. Black velvet, that little boy's smile. Black velvet and the slow southern style. A new religion you please. Black velvet, that little boy's smile. Black velvet and the slow southern style. A new religion that'll bring you to your knees. Black velvet, oh, if you please. Can I hear everybody clapping, please? If you please. Oh, if you please. Just before I end, I would like them to do their solos. So, sweetie, go on. Woo! All right. Pistachio, come on. You want to take over? Okay. Please play. Woo! And now. And to the three daughters of San Antonio, that's Anastasia on the drums, and on the guitar, Felicia, and Eustacia on the piano. Give them a big hand, everybody. Like velvet, that little boy's smile. Black velvet and that slow southern style. New religion that'll bring you to your knees. Black velvet, if you please. Yeah, if you please. If you please. If you please. Oh, if you please. Oh, if you please. Oh, if you please. Thank you. Thank you, everybody. You were great. Thank you so much.